Okay, today we are going to look into release strategy of a PO, and release strategy is quite easy. Okay, we got disconnected. जी हेलो।
जी जी वली भाई।
आवाज आ रही है? वो बीच में डिस्कनेक्ट हो गया था।
नहीं नहीं आ रही है, आवाज आ रही
Okay, so we are going to discuss and see how to configure release strategy for PO. Release strategy is that you actually put limits for approvals of purchase orders if the purchase order crosses a certain threshold in pricing. So what are the steps? CT04. Okay, over here, we will create a doc type, release strategy doc type um, one. Okay, this will be a new one. So we'll make one already exists. Okay. Um, Z. Okay. Now description, order type, purchasing. Status will be released. We don't need any authorization group. Okay. And data type will be character format, and number of characters will be 4. Okay. Now, characteristics. Now, what are we actually doing? We are building the checks for creating release strategy. So for the order type, we need a document type. Now, this release strategy will work on a document type. What will be that document type? We will just go and see that. Okay. Okay. Single values. Okay. Additional data. Over here, we need the table name. Now, this table name, what does this have? SART. Let's go and check this table. SE11. Okay. Seco. BS art. Now, this BS art is order type. On this order type, we will be uh, applying the release strategy. Now, release will be done by purchase manager or purchase director or any other higher up if the purchase order value goes beyond 1 million or 10,000, whatever. Okay. Order type. Now, we are going to BS art order type. On this, we will apply the release strategy. Okay. Not ready for input because this is just a release strategy. We don't need uh, any other details. Okay. Restrictions. Now, restrictions over here is 032 release strategy. Okay. Values. Okay. Values. Now we want values over here. Let's save it first. So this table is about communication release strategy determination for purchase document. Okay. And we must have anything regarding material as well. Let's see. Purchasing document, material group, customer number, material group, MATCL. Same table and the material group. So based on order type and material group. No, it's not working. I guess I'll have to stop the recording. Okay. Okay. Additional values. We don't have anything because we need this. This is let's do it. Material group restrictions, release strategy, um, additional data, and over here, MA factor. Okay. Material. Additional data. Value assignments are still not there. Release strategy, not ready for input. Value assignment. Document type NV. Changed. Values. Additional values. It's not giving me any option. Otherwise, I need this. These values. These are important values. Not allowing me. But anyway, allowed values. Save. Okay. Now this is saved. We've made for material group. Okay. The next step is CL02. Now in CL02, rel PO, this is released PO. Okay. Uh, class type will be 032 that we used in the last step. New. Okay. Okay. Over here. Now this is the class for release strategy status 1. It will be always one. Okay. And material group. Okay. Um, characteristics. Characteristics will be RS doc type Z. Okay, that's what already made. Okay, now we have to actually make this 9 at any rates. 4. Okay, this is done. 304. Additional data. Doc type Z, matco, CP04, doc type NB. Okay. Order type purchasing, released, data type character, core, additional data, secco, yes, art, not ready for import, NB. Okay. Restrictions, restrictions, 032. Okay. CL02, NV, no. Then PUZ, character, NB. Okay. Save. Okay. Next step is SPRO. Materials management, purchasing, purchase order. Okay. Release strategy, reasons, release. Okay. Release procedure, and define release procedure for purchase orders. Release groups. Now, what are these groups basically? Okay. Over here, new entries, AS, rel, POC, release uh, release strategy. Okay. A relative object is already it's assigned. Okay. Save. Save changes. I guess it's not allowing AS LPOZ with 9. Strategy, but believe this one, I guess it has some problem. Save. Save. Okay. Assign the release rules that are for overall release to one release class. Only assign the release rules that are not created for overall release to different release class. Group one release group class. We've already done this. Okay, fine. We don't need anything. Okay. Next is release codes. Let's take R1, R1. Okay. Release codes. We have R1 already. So over here we have, let's try to mix our own groups. It's not allowing, but anyways. ES, LPOC, release strategy, release classes. Yes. Okay. See long text. Release strategy, edit characteristic. Okay. Edit class, rel POZ, rename. There is no such thing as release environment extras. Nothing. Rel POZ class. Get release strategies. Is inconsistent G7 AS BS. Okay. What if I delete all of this? Okay, good. What was our company code, Zahid, if you remember?
नहीं बॉस, और एट द मोमेंट
IMM. New entries, AS, WZ, one strategy, data was saved. Okay, there was some issue with the old codes. Now release codes, AS 101AB. Now what is this automatically? It is picking up these codes. Now this is the release code. If the manager or the officer releases the PO, the manager can stop it. So if this is released, but this is not released, then the PO is not released. But if If this is released and this is also released, then PO is released. Okay,
Okay.
that is the strategy. Okay, release indicator. Okay, release indicator will actually give us released, not released. Let's delete all this and make it standardized. Okay, save, save. Release indicator, new entries, 0, 1, 6. What should be changeable new release if new strategy or value is changing? Changeable new release if new strategy or value is changed or output. Okay. Okay. Value change released. No. Okay. Save. Save. Okay. Next step. Release strategy. Over here. Now 10 and 20 are the steps. Okay. 10 and 20 are the steps. Okay. Over here, we keep it release prerequisites. Now, for this, for example, if it comes for release at 20, the manager has to see whether it was released before or not. Okay, so these are prerequisite for 10. But at 10, it is not released. This is released, this is not released. Okay. Release codes, these are done. Release status 1010 not released. Even if 10 approves it, but 20 is not approving, it is not released. Not released, not released. Released. Okay. Okay. Next is classifications. Now, what is the classification here? Order type, material group. We can use any material group, but PK raw is our material group that we are using. Order type, value, total order value. If it goes across 10,000, not found. Material group not found. How come? Doc type, PKR 10,000. Order type will be purchasing NB. Okay. Save. Release status. Yeah, release status is 110. Inlet release. Release possible to requisite missing, not released. Please choose another code. There is some problem with 20. It should be anything, but the concept basically is clear to us. let's do one thing. Foods, 1, 1. Indicator, 0 and 1. Okay. Released. Released. Okay. Release started, please. We will not release. 0, 0, 1. Okay. Save. It already saved. This simulation. The requisite is missing. Okay. Classification is done. Save. Okay. Workflow. VAUSNET. AS1020AB. Okay. Save. Data is already saved. Okay. So this is it.